I vote yes.
Senator Makori Beatrice Kwamboka.
I vote yes.
Senator Malala Cleophas Wahungu.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes.
Senator Masitsa Naomi Shionga.
I vote yes.
Senator Mbito Michael Malinga.
I vote yes.
Senator Mbogo George Ochilo Ayako.
I vote yes.
Senator Milgo Alice Chepkorir. Senator Mogeni Eric Okongo.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes.
Senator Moi Gideon Kipsielei Towet.
Alia Yekta Est. Yes.
Senator Milgo Alice Chepkorir. Yes.
I vote yes.
Senator Mpaye Philip Salau.
I vote yes.
Senator Mugo Beth Wamboi.
Speaker.
Switch off kwanza.
The Speaker, on behalf of Senator Mugo, who has asked you on health grounds, she votes yes.
I got the notification here.
Point of order, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, on what basis does someone vote on behalf of someone else?
Let's vote. I will give a direction on
Pardon?
that. Let's vote. I'll give a direction on that.
Yeah, but Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, on what constitutional basis can the Constitution is very clear.
Said leader of majority, remember I made a ruling here that in such exceptional times, you are, even when you are the chairman of when you are the leader of majority, we are also taking votes through proxy, and she has written and she's indisposed.
We have
and
never, Mr. Speaker, there can be no worse violation of our Constitution than that. There is no one, Mr. Speaker, and there is never a time we sat in Senate Business Committee to approve a person who is not in the Senate to vote. It's impossible. In fact, it is, Mr. Speaker, the greatest violation of our Constitution. Please, Mr. Speaker, don't go there. You already have the numbers to remove people. Don't rape our Constitution further.
Speaker.
At least if you give somebody latitude, the words that are being used on the floor of the House, rape, those kind of words on the floor of the House, what do the young people think about our language, and particularly our women? I think we should use some language with decorum.
Mr. Speaker, I insist, allowing a person who is not in the chambers and not within the vicinity of Parliament to
She
vote.
was, as far as
somebody
I know,
no, Mr. Speaker, it's not only rape. I could rather use actually defilement because it's worse.
Senator Murkomen, Senator Beth Mugo was here.
Even if she was here.
Order, Senator Murkomen. She was here, and because of illness, which was brought to my attention, that's how I allowed it.
Okay. It's not for you, Speaker, to allow. It is impossible. It's unconstitutional, Mr. Speaker. There is no basis for you to defile this Constitution.
Senator
there is absolutely no basis. You have the numbers.
Mr. Speaker, this is a house of order. if you allow members to talk back to you, to overrule you and to heckle you, Mr. Speaker, I am the best at that. Do not allow this, because when I start it or when others start it, this House will be disorderly. So make your ruling with finality, Mr. Speaker. I beg you.
Senator Ledama.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I wouldn't want to slow down the process, but because we're talking about procedures, I think Standing Order number 1 give the Speaker latitude to be able to make certain decisions. So I don't know whether this would apply to the issue of a senator voting on behalf of another.
Mr. Speaker.
Okay, order members. Order members. Let the voting continue. I'll make a ruling at the end of it. Let's proceed.
Senator Murkomen Onesimus Kipchumba.
Mr. Speaker, I vote no.
Senator Mwangi Paul Gethiomi.
I vote yes.
Senator Mwaruma Jones Mwashushe.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes.
Senator Mwaura Isaac.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes.
Senator Mwenyehaji Mohamed Faki.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I vote yes.
Senator Nderito John Kenywa.
Bwana Spika, napiga hapana.
Senator Ndwiga Peter Njero. Senator Ndwiga Peter Njero.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir, I have his letter. He is saying we vote yes, but I agree. You can keep aside that vote pending your ruling.
Senator Nyamunga Rose Ogendo. Senator Nyamunga Rose Ogendo.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes.
Senator Olekina Ledama.
I vote yes.
Senator Omanga Millicent.
I vote yes.
Senator Ongeri Samson Kegengo.
I vote yes.
Senator Orengo James.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I vote yes.
Senator Outa Frederick Otieno.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes.
Senator Pareno Judith Ramaita.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes.
Senator Pogisio Samuel Losuron.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes.
Senator Prengei Victor.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes.
Senator Sakaja Johnson Arthur.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes.
Senator Mary Yane.
I vote yes.
Senator Wako Naomi Jilo.
I vote yes.
Senator Wako Sitwila Amos.
I vote yes.
Senator Wambua Enoch Kio. Senator Wambua Enoch Kio.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes.
Senator Wario Golich Juma.